Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you all another quick and easy wig install, okay? So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So this wig is from Nadula Hair. I received a 5x5 HD lace body wave wig, and this unit is 24 inches long and it's 180% density. I will leave all the information down below in the description bar so you can go ahead and check them out. But here I'm just showing you all how everything looked when I first received it. After I washed the wig, I did flat iron the hair, and this is how it looked. I also added like a few layers in the front to frame my face, but then I decided I wanted to add some curls. So I'm just showing you all how I did that. So this is how the wig looked once I finished adding in some curls. So yeah, so if you guys been rocking with me for a while, you already know my little situation, honey, about my edges. But yeah, just applying my wig, and then I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut off the lace in the front. And as you guys can see, like, this lace blends in so well. So this next part is optional. You do not need any lace glue with this unit. This unit is fitting me very, very well without it, but I'm going out of town for the weekend and I will be sleeping in my unit and going to the pool and stuff. So I'm applying 2 layers of my lace glue. Once the second layer was clear, then I applied my lace, and then I'm taking my comb and just pressing everything in so it could be nice and melted. Decided I wanted a few baby hair, so that's what I'm doing now. Like, this unit is very easy to apply. It's not high maintenance, and I love how nice and flat and natural looking it looks. So after I hot combed the top of the hair, I'm just taking my fingers and, you know, just separating some of the curls, trying to get that loose curl look I was going for. And then that's about it. Like, this unit was like so easy to apply. So yeah, I will leave some photos because, you guys, I'm still working on the settings in my camera. So yeah, I will leave all the information down below in the description bar so you can go ahead and check Nadula Hair out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you like this unit. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you dolls in the next video.